In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private. Ensuring your calendar stays private is essential, especially if you want to keep your schedule secure and accessible only to you or a select few. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your browser and visiting calendar.google.com. Once signed in, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll find the My Calendars section. This area contains a list of all the calendars associated with your Google account. Now the next step involves locating the specific calendar you want to make private. Hover your cursor over the calendar name and you'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu you'll select the option labelled Settings and Sharing. You'll now be taken to the settings page for the specific calendar you've selected. Scroll down until you find the section titled Access Permissions for Events. This is the crucial part for making your calendar private. Within this section you'll see a checkbox that says Make Available to Public. By default this might be checked, meaning your calendar information is publicly accessible. To ensure privacy, simply uncheck this box. Once this is done, take a moment to think about any individuals you may have previously shared your calendar with. Scroll to the section labelled Share with Specific People. Here you can review the permissions granted to those individuals. Double check that their access rights align with your current privacy needs. For example, you can set their access to see only free/busy if you prefer they don't view the details of your events, or see all event details if you want them to have more insight. If you ever decide that someone no longer needs access to your calendar, you can remove them by clicking on the trash can icon next to their name. This way you retain the ability to control who sees your schedule and to what extent. And there you have it, a straightforward process to ensure your Google Calendar remains private and secure. Following these simple steps will give you peace of mind, knowing that your schedule is only accessible to those you've elected to view it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more internet basics and helpful tips. Thank you for watching.